Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what have we here? Well, that's a slice of mango. Hey, Mike Foster here. Don't take a bite yet. Today I'm going to talk to you about mango, why you should eat mango now. I discovered mango when I was in Hawaii years and years ago. Now you can get mango all across the country and all across the world, but that's where I first discovered it. And I had a whole mango, and I actually had a video on how to eat the mango. Now I'm going to tell you why you should eat it. One of the things about mango, besides tasting delicious, I'll take a nice bite in a few minutes. It's high in fiber, so that's a type of food that'll help you lose weight. It's actually really good for your digestion. It's also loaded with all kinds of vitamins and nutrients. What kind? Mango's got lots of vitamin A, lots and lots of vitamin C, potassium, B6, copper. It's got folate and vitamin E and vitamin K. What's all that good for? It's good to help lower your blood sugar, which is good to fight diabetes. It's also good for your heart health. And with the antioxidants and the polyphenols, I can't wait to take a bite. There's studies that say it can help reduce the risks of cancer. Why else should you eat this delicious, healthy fruit? Well, it's good for your immune system. They actually say that it can help decrease your aging cycle. And believe it or not, eating mango can also help your eyes. It's good for your eyesight. Those are some of the reasons, but anything with polyphenols and antioxidants, they're really, really healthy for you. You should try to get them into your diet daily. Lately, I've been eating anywhere from 8 to 12 portions of fruit and vegetables. I'm 95% plant-based right now, and mango is one of those things you should eat. And the other reason, it's delicious. Serve mango in salads. Serve it just the way it is. Eat it for desserts. Make desserts out of them. But try to eat fruits like mango as often as possible. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Keep living life 365 and stay healthy. Until next time, peace. Sweet Babu.
Live life 365.
And amazing. This is for the outtakes. Okay, Mike. Put you on. Keep living.